Numerical number 10 of the chapter, dot product of two vectors. In the diagram, a particle is at the point P and it will be displaced up to the point Q. And the displacement occurs along PQ. An initial position vector with respect to the origin O is vector R1, which is along OP, and final position vector of the point Q is vector R2 with respect to the origin O. We can denote Y and X axis. According to the question, the position coordinates of the point P and Q are 3, 2, -6, and position coordinates of the point Q is 14, 13, 9. Hence, the initial position vector R1 will be expressed in terms of the position coordinates 3, 2 and -6. That is 3i cap plus 2j cap minus 6k cap. So with j cap we can write 2, this 2, and with k cap we can write -6. Similarly, for the final position vector with I cap we can write, we can use 14 I cap, then 13 j cap plus 9 k cap. 14, 13, 9 are the rectangular components of final position vectors. Also, the force vector vector F is equal 4i cap plus j cap plus 3k cap Newton. Vector F equal 4i cap plus j cap plus 3k cap Newton, and vector R1 is in meter and vector R2 is also in meter, where vector R1 and vector R2 are the initial and final position vectors of the particle at the point P and Q. When the particle is at the point P and vector R1 is the initial position vector and vector R2 is final position vector. Using triangle law of vector addition in the triangle OPQ, OP and PQ are in the same order, are taken in the same order. We can write sum of vectors, that is vector R1 plus vector S, will be equal to vector R2, because vector R2 is the third side taken in the opposite order, or comma vector S equal vector R2 minus vector R1. That is displacement vector S is equal to final position vector minus initial position vector S. Now we can put the expression of R2 and R1, vector R2 and vector R1. Vector R2 is 14i cap plus 13j cap plus 9k cap minus initial position vector is vector R1, which is 3i cap plus 2j cap minus 6k cap. Therefore, finally we get vector S, that means displacement vector, will be 11i cap, simplifying after simplification, 11i cap plus 11j cap, 13 minus 13i cap, 13j cap minus 2j cap is 11j cap, and minus 6k cap with minus becomes plus 6k cap, that is 9k cap plus 6k cap means 15k cap. This is displacement vector in meter. displacement vector of the particle when it moves from the point P to Q. Displacement vector of the particle when this particle travels from the point P to Q. Therefore, the work done by the force is W equal, work done is scalar, vector F dot vector S, force vector dot displacement vector. Work done is equal to the dot product between force vector and displacement vector. Therefore, W equal vector F dot vector S. Putting the expression of force vector F and displacement vector S. The expression of force vector is four I cap plus j cap plus 3k cap dot. Now we can put the expression of displacement vector S, vector S, 11 I cap plus 11 j cap plus 15k cap, 15k cap. Now we can multiply with the rectangular components of I cap and I cap, and rectangular components of j cap and j cap, and rectangular components of k cap and k cap. 4 into 11 plus 1 into 11 plus 3 into 15, that is 44 plus 11 plus 45. Therefore, W equal 100 joule. Therefore, W equal 100 joule. W equal 100 joule. So this is the work done, value of work done by the force when the particle travels from the point Q to P to Q for a displacement vector S. This is what work done by the force. Work done by the force.